How to create long-lasting wealth with a home business. Starting your own home business might seem overwhelming at first. There's so much to consider: finances, goals, and the type of business you should start. As a new home business owner, you can easily get frustrated with all the options that are available. Don't complicate matters. In this video, we'll explain how to create long-lasting wealth with a home business without adding stress to your life. Welcome to Affluence Online, the place to learn about investing and managing your finances. Before we jump into the content, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another video. We share tips on how to make money every single week. And be sure to hit the like button if you're getting value from these free tips. Here are some great ideas to get you started. 1. Don't reinvent the wheel. You've probably heard the old saying, don't reinvent the wheel. Most frustration in business comes from trying to create something new. A new product, new service, or even a new way of doing things. The good news is, you don't have to create anything new. With an online business, it's very easy to sign up with others and sell their products for a commission. Most companies are glad to pay you to promote their products. It saves some time and money. There are millions of products and services online that are just itching for more promotion. You can easily find products that interest you and make money online while doing what you love. These products have already been through their testing period, so you get to enjoy the benefits as you work from home. To learn how to make money with affiliate marketing, we recommend ClickBank University. Check out the link in the description below. 2. Earn a residual income. With some companies, you can earn a residual income when signing on new clients. Those in the business of web education, internet marketing, web design services, medical billing and claims, travel booking, legal services, accounting, and financial investments will often pay you for monthly clients. You can earn money each month that the client remains faithful in payments. In other words, you could earn up to 20% or more of a client's payment every month. Multiply that number by 100 and you will have a very lucrative residual income. 3. Choose high commission products and services. Don't waste your valuable time promoting products and services that pay very little in commissions. Seek out home business solutions where you can earn a generous commission amount for each sale. When promoting products for someone else, the conversion rate will likely be much lower than it would be when selling your own products. So you'll have to work a little harder to get more visitors to your website. When you do sell a product, it will be much more rewarding if you make $100 or more instead of $10 or more. 4. Simplify your business promotions. Another area of frustration for a home business owner is promotion. There are many ways to promote an online business, but usually only a few actually work for the long term. The first thing to do is create your own website that you can tweak and add content to on a regular basis. From your website, offer tips and plenty of fresh content about the products and services you offer. Find your target audience and write to them. Give them the information they're seeking before you try to sell them a product. Need help launching your website? HostGator can help. HostGator is a leading provider of secure and easy website hosting services. Check out the link in the description below. With some home business solutions, you can receive your own website free. But be sure it will be your own website and that you can add to it whenever you want. Being unique with your website is very important for receiving search engine exposure. Also, beware of scams. Check out online companies before investing any money. Use dependable home business solution directories that will investigate home businesses for you. This will save you time and money. And remember, whatever you do, keep it simple. Thank you for spending some time with Affluence Online. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. We also handpick these videos that we recommend you watch next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back again soon.